Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. And as usual, starting off with Euro USD, and we are going absolutely nowhere, going sideways, tails to the downside, tails to the upside, complete confusion here. And if we drop down to the hour, you'll see it even clearer. So that is a range, it is danger, it is not something you want to be trading until you start breaking through. Let's just do that. So that's kind of the zone we're in at the moment. So I have zero interest in trading this. This could be swinging around for a pullback, which is kind of interesting considering the noise around interest rate hikes at the moment. So yeah, this is for me a sit on hands, not interested in Euro USD at the moment. US dollar Japanese yen, pretty much the same structure. You can see tails to the upside, tails to the downside. Nobody really knows whether to be selling or buying right now. One thing that is starting to happen is that you've got a separation of the oscillators, and we are below the moving averages. And if you look left, we've got this zone of chaos that we are flirting with. Just do that. So, and that lines up with the moving averages. So it does look like this indecision is going to move to the downside eventually. But if I drill down to the hour, we are sideways. It is a range for all intents purposes. So if I'm looking at it on a hourly basis, that is top of range right now in a downward trend, but we do have potential for a swing high here. So I'm also sitting on the hand. So dollar is not looking very interesting for me. British pound, Japanese yen, more of the same, I'm afraid. So you can see all these tails here, tails to the upside, tails to the downside this week, complete confusion. The only two bearish signals here are the oscillators, which have separated and crossed over, and the moving averages, which aren't pointing down, but they have crossed over. So that's starting to look a bit bearish. The minute you drill down to the 1 hour, we are in amongst the moving averages. We are flat, we are ranging, and it is a dangerous place to be. So we keep our money in our pocket. So that's also a no-go zone for me. Lastly, Euro British Pound. We did get moving, but look at this early in the session. Tails to the upside, tails to the downside. Bit of confusion. We do have a crossover the moving averages, but we are at the 155 EMA. And I'm just going to use this area here. You can see tail, tail, tail. This bar, we closed on it. We're above it at the moment, but look at my oscillators from there to there. High, low, low, high. That's diversions, continuation diversions. So we do have a potential crossover for move to the upside, but it's warning you that it could be moving to the downside as well. So from the hour perspective, this is probably the only one that is worth looking at. If we do get a pullback, I would expect a pullback onto 086076. Pay attention to this on the 15-minute, and I'm looking for structure here for a move to the upside. And we didn't quite get, this is what would have been my buying level. We didn't quite get there yesterday, and that one doesn't really count. So yeah, kind of all over the place, but I think that's the only opportunity I see is at 086076. But with the oscillators all grouped like they are to the upside on the higher time frames and on the hour, I would be very reluctant to be looking for something here at the moment. So I get left. Okay, so you can see on the 15-minute, there's your tails. That's what was in play because price did get past it here. So if we just do that, I'm just going to put another one in over there so you can see that's kind of the zone. Have a look here. That one wasn't really on the level, kind of all over the place. That was also not quite on the level, but nevertheless double bottom. So you can see big engulfing bar, second engulfing bar here. And when you see it off the level like that, you wait, and there's the second one there. You know, that's potentially a double bottom. You can take it there with a stop there. So it's a 100-point stop loss, and you would have got going fairly quickly, almost a 3-to-1 trade. So more of the same today, I think, but just get down to the 15-minute. This is the first level, and then if that does give way, which is possible, then you'd be looking to come down to here at 085985, and you're looking for a move to the upside. And I just want to see if I can get you a target. Pretty much where price is now, so that would be the first target there. 086238. Okay, so you're looking for move down to here, and that's going to give you 170 odd point gain for probably around 30 points, 40 point stop loss, depending on the bar you get on the 15-minute. Anyway, that is the only trade I see on Forex today. Hope it helps. If it does, drop us a thumbs up, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.